Hey guys, here I am Joel from IT Buddies channel. So if you want to make a popular Netflix application, then you are in the right place. You heard right guys, we are building NetflixClone, and for that I am using React.js and Firebase. So basically React.js is popular open source JavaScript library to build user interfaces, and that is provided by Facebook, and to also check our user is registered inside our app or not, or you can say for user authentication I am using Firebase, and that is provided by Google. So this is the introductory video about the project that we are going to build, and let me give you a quick overview about our Netflix clone. So here you can see the nice page similar like Netflix, and I am entering first time inside this application. So I click on this get started button, and first of all we have to sign up now. So let us write here email address and create one password and click on this sign up button. So now we are registered in this application, and here you can see the home screen of our Netflix clone. Here the poster image of any movie. The movie title is also showing here. Then here these two buttons and movie description. Then I am scrolling down and you can also see the navbar is now black, and here the navbar is transparent. That is also the similar effect like Netflix. Here you can see Netflix original movies, trending movies, top rated movies, and so on. And we are also applying this nice hover effect. You can see guys. So let me click on this avatar image. So here you can see our avatar and the email address from which we are signed in inside our application. And whenever I click on this Netflix logo, I am again inside my home screen. You can see guys. So if we are signed out, now I am actually in this screen. And now again, to go inside our Netflix home screen, we have to click on this sign in button because we are already registered. And here I am writing my email address and password, and let me click on this sign in button. So here you can see I am inside my profile screen because now I am signed in. And now go inside this home screen. You can see here this is our home screen, and this looks too good. So whenever I open again my app, you can see our application automatically fetch the user that registered in this app. So this is the project that we are going to build, and I hope you are excited to create this project similar like me. And if you got any error while programming, then you can check my description of my video parts. You will get the GitHub repository link, so you can simply copy the code and paste inside your computer. So thank you guys for watching this introductory video about our Netflix app. So if you want to create this project now, then check my description. I added the video links of all parts, so you can check the part 1 video link if you want to build this application. and I hope you will like our this project. And if you really like, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you are visiting first time in our IT Buddies channel, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so they can actually get the benefits like you. Thank you and bye bye guys. Keep watching.